If you've been searching, why is my AC humming? Or why is my AC loud? Or even why is my heater humming? Or why is my heater loud? When it comes to a vehicle, this video is going to show you everything you need to know and how to fix the problem. So stay tuned. Let's get into this one. Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. I'm here in my Silverado. Look at this thing. I love this beautiful truck. I know that the sun's going to mess everything up with the video recording, but I finally fixed the air conditioner in this truck after like 15 years. Get it to blow cold, but listen to this thing. When you turn the fan all the way up, it makes that crazy humming sound. We're gonna figure out what is going on to cause that sound. Holy crap, we got lucky on this one. The first thing that we're gonna do is pull the cabin air filter out. So if yours has this humming sound on any car, I've dealt with this on pretty much everything. So if you have this humming sound, it could be a restriction in the airflow, it could be a bad blower motor, and it could be debris inside the blower motor, like if you got leaves or something inside there. So we're gonna check all that and see what it's gonna take to fix this. But the three things you're gonna be looking at is restricted airflow caused by the cabin air filter, if your vehicle has one, a bad blower motor that's just loud and annoying, or debris in the ducting or in the blower itself. Let's take a look at this and see what it's going to take to fix this, but those are the three things that you're going to need to look at on your vehicle. Before we go too far, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. Let's get into this thing real fast. Okay, so first off, we're going to check the cabin air filters on this one. And on this truck, not all of these Chevys of this generation have this cabin air filter, and your car might not as well, but in this case, to get this cabin air filter off, it's real easy. This is the door for it. Under here, we have a 5.5 millimeter screw. I've already loosened it. It's right here in the back. So you got the 5.5. Gonna pop this off. These haven't been changed in so long. So you can see here's that screw hole for that 5.5 millimeter screw. These come right out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hopefully this is the case. This is disgusting. Look how dirty that is. That's super bad. Hopefully this is going to be the issue. So what we're going to do is replace these real fast. There's a second one inside here. Super bad. There might even be a rat's nest in mine. Look at that. Horrible. Super dirty. Got airflow. Make sure you put it in the right direction. I guess. Nothing bit me. So we got the airflow in the proper direction. Usually the air filters are before the blower, which I believe in this truck, it's kind of weird that it's after the blower, but what the hey. We got the airflow in the proper direction. Gonna pop this back in. So this right here clips in here first, like so. Get it lined up properly. Oh, I'm under a wire. I'm going to use my CC Tech. Is it CC Tech? It's just a CC long ratchet. Using this is a real good way to strip this, so be careful. Don't go too tight. I would highly recommend going finger tight with this. Right there, that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on and see if the sound has gone away. Keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully. Oh, nope. Still sounds like butt. So let's go ahead and pop the motor off and see if there's anything in there, and if not, let's replace the motor and see what happens. Like everything else on this truck, it's fairly easy to work on. The blower motor on this one is right here. And this is right under the dash. It's right here. And I believe, from memory, it should just twist out. And it does. It sounds like there's crap inside there. Let's go ahead and just unplug it electronically. Right there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not good. There is a ton of stuff in there. That might be the issue. We're gonna hope that's it. Let's put everything back together. I guess I could stick my hand in there, but what if there's a rodent? Okay, nothing in there. I don't feel anything. So let's go ahead and just put the blower motor back in. Squirrel cage is pretty clean. Make sure we get this gasket back on. All right, we got the squirrel cage cleaned out. Could blow it out if we had compressed air readily available. Let's get this back in here. Oh, my tab is broke. Probably gonna end up replacing this anyways then. But give this a try. Just see if it makes the sound go away. Because if it is on yours, well, this gasket sucks. Let's see, let's pull this back again. Get this to slide up in there. This thing just doesn't like to go in there. I guess we're not going to use that gasket because it keeps falling off. But this will just see if it fixes that. If it does, if it fixes the sound, then we'll go ahead and put another gasket on there. Okay. Plug this in. Good. There we go. All right, let's go ahead. Put the mic back up here so you guys could hear it. Turn it on and see if the sound went away. Holy crap. We got lucky on this one. All it took was cleaning out the debris and changing the air filter on this thing. It is quiet as heck right now. Let's see. Can we see this? Yeah, I've got cold air blowing out of here. That's it. I'm gonna have to get another one of these gaskets that goes around it. But if you got that humming sound coming out of your blower motor, that, like in this case, it might just be debris inside the blower motor causing this issue. So you might get lucky just cleaning it out. The three things you're gonna be looking at: plugged cabin air filter, debris in the squirrel cage or the blower motor itself, or the blower motor itself going bad. Real easy to fix this issue as long as it's easy to get to these components. But you could do this on your own, or if you have a mechanic trying to screw you over, make sure you check all these things first. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.